In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Wix website dashboard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner looking to get the hang of website management or you've been using Wix for a while and need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic begins. Open your web browser and enter the URL for your Wix editor. If you're already logged into your Wix account, it should direct you straight to the editor of your selected site, in this case Another Clothing. If you aren't logged in yet, simply input your username and password and voila, you'll be good to go. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various tools and options that allow you to design and modify your site. However, our main focus today is accessing the dashboard, so let's proceed with finding that dashboard. Now take your eyes to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the Wix logo. This logo isn't just a branding icon, it serves as a helpful shortcut. By clicking on this Wix logo, you'll trigger a navigation action. It's similar to clicking the home button on a smartphone. It gets you back to where you want to be, in this case the dashboard. After clicking the logo, give it a moment and you'll be redirected back to the Wix dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. It's from here that you can manage various aspects of your website, from tracking site visitors to handling your e-commerce store and marketing efforts. Now, as a tip for an efficient workflow, always make sure to save any changes in the editor before navigating back to the dashboard. This ensures none of your creative work gets lost in transition. It might also be helpful to bookmark the dashboard page for quicker future access, especially if you find yourself needing to jump back and forth regularly. To wrap it all up, accessing your Wix website dashboard is straightforward, but it's crucial to know where these quick navigation buttons are. By practicing these steps, you're honing your skills in managing your website more effectively. With the dashboard, you're now ready to manage your site's design, content, and performance all in one place. I hope you found this guide helpful and now feel more confident navigating between your Wix editor and dashboard effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep working on making your website the best it can be.